Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you to an interesting video. Here let's see what are we gonna make out of these molds. Some beautiful and lovely shapes. Get them beautifully carved in this pattern and just paste them in this way and these are gonna look superb. Now here get a ball like structure, you just have to press them. Now cut it with the help of scissors, get this pattern. Further you need to squeeze it a bit and then with the help of fork you need to make these patterns. Now join them up with the help of your fingers. Further here you have to just put them in a layer like this and then put a cherry in between. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now here you have to get the lines and with the help of fork you have to get these expressions and patterns like this. Further here you have to join up them together in this manner and then just squeeze them in a group of 2 and 3 and this is gonna look absolutely amazing. Now you have to make these curvy patterns along the lines and make it look like this. This is gonna look absolutely pretty and beautiful, isn't it? Now here you have to roll the chapati in this form and then with the help of this dough, what we have to do, you have to squeeze them in this manner, squeeze them a bit and further just roll them up with the help of the roller and then you have to cut it in this shape and pattern. Now what we have to do, you have to squeeze it and get the patterns made in this. You have to roll them together in this manner and make it look like this. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now here you have to cut the dough and frame it in this manner. What we have to do then, you just have to squeeze them together. Now put it on another and overlap it in this manner. Further here get a line and then cut them together in this form. And now here you have to do it in this manner. Get a beautiful flower made like this. This is gonna look absolutely amazing, right? Now here with the help of the fork, you have to make the patterns like this, get them beautifully carved and then squeeze them and make the patterns in this manner. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now with the help of the fork, you have to make these designs and patterns like this. Further, what are we going to do here? You just have to keep on making these patterns like this and then squeezing them. Further here again, what are we up to? You just have to get the slices, keep it over it in this way and now just roll them a bit and this is it. This is gonna look pretty, right? Now here into the form of a gujia, you have to do it like this and now press it together and then tie them up into a manner like this in a dough like this. Further here you have to roll them up, get the slices cut in this manner into the form of a diamond and here you have to do it in this way, get the rolls and designs like this and this is gonna look absolutely amazing and pretty. I hope guys you have enjoyed this video so much. Thank you so much for watching.